Where?
I need the net, guys.
Where's the net? Saan mo ba nakalagay? I don't know. Hindi ko.
What's the problem here? Oh? I cannot land here.
You should, dapat din, ayun. Dapat din alam mo na siya.
You got the match. It's too late.
This is a big boy.
Is it heavy?
This is a big boy.
Is it heavy?
Yes.
Okay.
Give it to me.
How can we do it now?
I don't know. No, humaba ba to?
Give it.
How?
Just pull it. Yeah.
Yan, ganun lang?
Yeah, come here.
Oh, give it to tatay.
Wait,
Let's move over. Move over the thing.
wait.
Faster, boy.
We got. Where? Do I do it like this?
Yeah, move over.
No.
You don't have to. Just give it to
Just hold it. Just hold it. Just hold it.
Pretty
Go. I'm holding you. Not you, Miguel. Only one kid.
only one.
Go down.
Only Kuya Gabe.
Down.
Drop it, Gabe. Drop
Oh, I'm holding you. Okay, I'll give it to
My
tatay.
back.
Eh kasi,
it. It's okay. It's okay. Okay.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh my.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry,
Okay,
baby.
Tete won't take it out. That sweater, just white. It was just white. It's just white.
Does it hurt? Miguel, Gabriel, come
It's a
here.
lot. It's white. It's white. Red.
Eh, kasi you're moving. Wow.
Oh. Got it. Tete, can I hold it?
Oh, his friend is looking.
Wait. Magla-live ako.
That hurt.
See, when you're quiet, we got him.
Can I touch it? Ah!
Careful.
Is this the daddy one?
He's pregnant.
Is this the daddy one?
Wait. Don't pull.
Oh my god! He's a mom.
Can somebody hold this one?
Okay. Oh my! Hey yo, it's dancing! No, it's fighting! It's dancing! No, it's fighting! Stop that!
Oh my God, I hurt him a lot.
Naka-live ka ba?
Sorry.
Naka-live ka ba?
How? Can we touch it? No!
Nanay, I need your knife. The one on your side.
Naka-ano
My
ba?
back hurts. He's not gonna.
I don't know how to do it.
Oh,
Just pull it.
it's breathing.
It's bleeding.
Okay lang, ganyan na yan?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, girl.
Wait, is that the mommy fish? Or is this the sister? Oh! Stop dancing! I think it's fighting, Papa. Stop dancing!
Natanggal mo na.
It's the same size as yesterday.
Natanggal mo?
Nope.
I think this is the
It's
brother
moving.
fish.
Sorry, girl.
Ay!
What you still do?
We have to measure.
Hindi ba yung mamamatay?
Nope.
He's looking at me!
Gabe, come
Look at my
here.
back! Look how much you damaged me! She's looking at me! Ah! Look at me! She is looking at me.
Oh my goodness, this one is bigger than yesterday.
Can we touch it?
Yeah.
We're scared.
Hold it. No, I'm the other one.
Take picture.
Can I touch it? Look like. Can I touch it?
Wait, I'll take
Everybody
it.
here, take picture.
Oh, go. I'll take a picture.
Put my eyeglasses down.
Can I touch it? Can I touch it?
Put it.
Whoa!
I'll take a picture.
Ah!
Ay!
Gabriel kasi, you have to do it fast. Put it in my eyes.
The bee!
Eh, baka mamatay yung isda.
Over my ears. Over my ears. Very good.
Can we touch?
I'm gonna take a picture. Oh, her eyes. Oh, baka
I have to
mamatay.
put her back. I
Yeah.
have to put her back in the water.
She's gonna
Get. Get my rod, Lucas. Get my rod. Don't bang it. Gabe, get my knife.
My back hurts.
It's okay. It happens.
Kasi, baby, you're so quick eh.
You
You're-
told me to do.
Yeah, but you're so quick. Come on, we're gonna go there. Come on, guys.
No, you want to hold him, right?
Yeah? What? But now he's slippery. She's moving. We have to make her alive, Mika. I know.
We're gonna let her sleep first.
Where's the girl?
Ibaba mo pa, Beb. Yung, hindi siya yung bibig niya eh.
Hindi kasi
Where's
yung
the sister?
yung hind fin na naman niya.
Oh.
Mag-cut off na naman. Ay, naano na naman sa net.
Go over there. Why? What?
And I'm gonna take picture of us, okay? Wait a minute. Stay away now, guys. Stay away. Tuti is gonna bite you.
Saan kayo?
Can we touch it? The
Wait,
female.
wait here. So I need to put see the hind fin. Oh, it's getting caught. Ouch. Okay, everybody.
I'm gonna take a picture. Video ba?
Oh, it's slimy. Oh, and good.
Okay.
Tuti, you want to touch? Come on.
No,
Okay.
it's okay.
Okay, take picture.
Wait.
Okay, Nana, spray the hands first.
Wait, no. Andun yung, ay, mamamatay na yan. Your hands. Oh, okay, your hands.
It doesn't have
Spray your
teeth.
hands first.
Okay, I'll take a picture of you guys. And before Tatay let it go.
Can we carry it? Or no?
No, Tatay will hold it. Come on.
This one is more than 2 feet. Everybody go behind me.
Okay.
My back.
Behind me. It's okay.
Behind Tatay.
Later, come on.
I'll take a picture.
Okay, come here, Tuti, come here.
Tutu, go.
Say hi.
We got a fish.
Tuti, come here.
Go. So, magbibideo ako ng we got a fish. Sabi nyo,
Tuti, come here.
go. 1, 2,
Wait. 1, 2, say, we got a fish. 1.
Oh, babe, teka lang. Go. 1, 2, 3.
We got a fish. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Okay, the fish wants to kiss Tuti.
I touched it again. On the mouth.
Okay na, balik mo na.
Okay, say bye to him.
Bye.
Say bye to the
The
fish.
fish.
You want a kiss?
Full eye. That's full eye.
Wait lang, babe. Wait. Ibibideo ko yung pagbalik mo.
Bye-bye.
Hey,
Boy.
she might eat the. Okay, 1.
Go.
Bye. That was a huge one.
It is. No, that's not the one that I want. I want it's almost 3 feet.
Is that good? The daddy one?
The daddy, the mommy one is like 3 feet.
Come on. Let's go.
Spray your hands.
Come on, let's...
Look at, guys, look at my towel there.